I promise you that if you work on it, and if you work on it really hard, and if you've had some dark times, and if you felt like maybe you didn't belong in this world, trust me, you belong here. There's a reason that you're here. There's something that you are meant to do, and please, please do not leave this world until you do that.
This is the Oarsman Report, and I'm Julissa Ventureno. There was a surprise assembly for all the Venice High School girls. The assembly was conducted by the No Girls Left Behind team.
They first contacted me. I responded back to them. And then based on our correspondence, I set up a meeting with our principal and our assistant principal, Mr. Griego, and Mr. Valeria. At that meeting, we determined that it was something that we wanted to do, so we did background on them, called 3 schools. Every school raved about them.
So I came with my company, with my team, No Girl Left Behind. We are a sisterhood, we're a movement, and we're on a mission to empower 1 million girls by 2020.
This organization focuses on girl empowerment.
You know, because we've been programmed to fight each other, and in order for us to even win as a whole, all women to do well in life, and to see us succeed, it's important that we start loving each other. But in order to do that, we have to love ourselves first. So both of them work hand in hand. We just wanted to spread the love and let you girls know that you are worthy, that you are capable, that you are just so amazing beyond what you could ever dream.
They opened the assembly with a performance by Michelle Delamor, an American Idol finalist.
You can bet it all on me.
The No Girl Left Behind team created a safe space for the girls to share common challenges and to support each other.
My favorite part is when we all came together and we were clapping for people and making sure that they felt comfort, and all the girls in the school were like together as one, and I thought that was a really nice moment.
I would say the part where we were able to talk about what we felt at the time, like it depended, like did we feel pressured to do like certain things.
My favorite part of the assembly was when we wrote our thoughts, like our bad thoughts on a piece of paper, things that really made us emotional, and we got to rip that paper up and throw it away, and we let it escape our bodies.
And now I want you to take that power, and with that power, you're going to take that paper that's in your hand, and I want you to rip it up.
Do you think events like this change how girls interact with each other at the school?
I think yes, but I think we should have talked a bit about the dress code here at Venice High School, you know.
Yeah, because just going off of what she said, the dress code problem is something that a lot of girls suffer from, so that kind of just brings us all together, and I think that we should all take a stand.
And now that we have that camaraderie with each other from like the event, I think that'll be a lot easier for us to band together and stick together and do what's right and like get what we deserve.
The No Girls Left Behind team also acted out an interactive song with the audience. The assembly ended with a giveaway.
Yes! But I know you can do better than that. We're sisters. Clap it up. When one of us wins, we all win. All right, but you know what though?
I hope this video gave you more insight on the No Girls Left Behind assembly. Our social media is down below. Please make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Signing off, this is the Oarsman Report.